Good morning, students. Today our topic is computer networks, and this is computer network part 8. And in this lecture, we are going to discuss some numerical based on computer networks. So this is question number 69 of Arihant publication of computer science. So question is, Grandeur consultants are setting up of a secure network for their office campus at Faridabad for their day-to-day office and web-based activities. They are planning to have connectivity between three buildings and have head office situated in Kolkata. Answer the question 1 to 4 after going through the building positions in the campus and other details which are given below. So you can easily see that there are two campus of a Grandeur consultancy company, Faridabad and Kolkata. So in Faridabad there are three buildings, Ravi, Ganga and Jamna, and the head office is situated in Kolkata. And the questions are regarding this is, first of all, before start the question, let us understand the terms and details of this question. Here distance between various buildings are also given. Building Ravi to building Jamuna have distance 120 meter. Building Ravi to building Ganga have distance 50 meter. Between Ganga and Jamuna 65 meter, and Faridabad campus to the head office approx 1460 kilometers. So between different buildings distance is given in meters, but as far as Faridabad and head office distance is concerned, it is given in kilometers. And number of computers in each buildings are also given. Building Ravi 25 computers are there. Building Jamuna 150 computers. Building Ganga 51, and head office 10 computers. These are the computers. Now, first part of this question says that suggest the most suitable place that is in block on the or the house the server of this organization. Also give the reason to justify your suggestion and location. As you know that we put a server room in that place which have maximum number of computers, whether it is its main office Faridabad, or whether it is in head office Gurgaon, or whether it is in Faridabad. And we can easily see that number of computers are maximum in Jamna building Jamna 150 computers, and other buildings are very less number of computers as compared to building Jamna. So we place our server in building Jamna. So let us check the answer of it. Is it building Jamna? Yes, the most suitable place to house the server, you can easily see that, is building Jamna location because it has the maximum number of computers. Next is suggest a cable layout of connection between building inside the campus. Cable layout, and when we make a cable layout, just try to reduce the cable as far as possible, as much as possible. And in this case, this is building Ravi, building Ganga, and building Jamuna. So both these are connected to each other, and there is no connection between building Ravi and building Jamuna. First of all, this is the answer. So let us check what is the distance between all these. Building Ravi to building Jamuna 120 meter. Building Ravi to building Jamuna. Building Ravi to building Jamuna. It is 120 meter, which we not write here. Why we not write here? I told you in 3 seconds. And building Ravi to building Ganga 150 meter. Building Ravi to building Ganga 50 meters. Okay. Next, building Ganga to building Jamuna 65 meter. 65 meters. 65 meters. I think this is 120 meter, or this is 50 meters approx. As you can see that if we want to connect building Ravi and building Jamuna, that is around 120 meters. Let us check it again whether it is 50, 65 or 120 or not. 50, 65, 120, yes, 50, 65, 120, 50, that is 65, and that is 120. So building Ravi and building Jamuna both are connected via building Ganga, and the total distance in this is around 50 plus 65, that is almost 115 meter. And to join building Ravi and building Jamuna, basically 120 meter of cable is required. This is unnecessary and very much high as compared to 50 plus 65, that is 115. And using this also building Ganga can be also be connected, so there is no need to connect or join building Ravi to building Jamuna directly. So we reduce this cable, and that is the most appropriate or most correct combination of most minimum cable layout of this question. Next question is, suggest the placement of the following device with justification. Wherever you want to switch or repeater, always we already know that switch is used within a building to connect different computers to each other, and switch is also an intelligent device. And as far as task of repeater is concerned, repeater just repeat the signal when there is a very much distance between source and destination. In this case we can easily see that the Faridabad campus uh, is Faridabad campus is basically Calcutta campus or Faridabad campus. Distance is around 1460 meters. So we use repeater between them. So now I think it is clear to all of you. So we can switch in each and every building and repeaters between these two blocks. Already written here, repeaters may be skipped as per the above layout because distance is less than 100 meter. However, building Ravi and building Jamuna are directly connected. We can place a repeater there as the distance between these two buildings are more than 100 meters. So as far as repeater is concerned, within a campus we can place a repeater between building Ravi and building Jamuna because distance is 120 meters. But between the building Ravi and building Ganga and building Jamuna, there is no need. And in question it is also asked that says the placement of the following devices with justification, where you want to put repeater and switch. And if you want to connect Faridabad campus to head office, you also need repeaters here. So that is the answer. And third and the fourth part is, the organization is planning to provide high-speed link with its head office situated in the Kolkata using a wired connection. Which of the following cable will be most suitable for this job? Obviously optical fiber cable have much more capacity as compared to coaxial cable and Ethernet cable, so our answer is coaxial cable. Oh sorry, optical fibers cable. Optical fiber axle is the answer of this question. And there is a requirement of wired media connection, and throughout the wired connection, fiber optical cable has maximum speed data transfer rate. So we suggest a fiber optical cable. Next is question number 70. Work a lot consultants are setting up a secure network for their office campus of Gurgaon for their day-to-day office and web-based activities. They are planning to have connectivity between 3 buildings and the head office situated in Mumbai. Answer the question 1 to 4 after going to the building positions in the campus and other details. So let us check the detail first. That there are 3 buildings in Gurgaon campus: building green, building blue, and building red, and the head office situated in Mumbai. And as far as distance is concerned, different distances are given. As we can see that 110 meters distance is uh, high as compared to other buildings within Faridabad campus, within Gurgaon campus here. And distance between Gurgaon campus to head office is around 1760 meters. Number of computers are given. Building green 32 computers are there, building red 150, building blue 45, and building 10, building head office 10. So maximum number of computers are in building red. So first question is, suggest the most suitable places at the building that to house the server of this organization. To house the server of this organization, also give the reason to justify a suggestion location. And second is, suggest a cable layout. So first of all, server. So we place a server where there are maximum number of computers, and in this case maximum number of computers are in building red. So building red is to be selected to place a server. That is the answer of this question, building red. Next is cable layout network. We are here different buildings are connected to each other. So in this we can easily see that building red is basically contain the server, and we have to connect building blue and building green. So first of all, make 3 blocks: building green, building blue, and building red, and connect to all these, and make a distance, and mark the distance. And we can easily see that as far as the distance is concerned, building green to building blue, building blue to building red, building green to building blue, 45, 45, 110, building green to building blue, 45, building green to building red, 110, and 65, 45, 110, and 65. 45, 45, let us 45, building green to building blue, building green to building red, and building green to building blue, 45, 110, and 65. Obviously there is no need to join these two buildings because of a high requirement of because of 110 requirement requirement. So just reduce it. So just connect only these two buildings. And as far as these two buildings connection is concerned, it is through building blue. Building green is connected to building red to through building blue here. So that is the connection. Next question is, suggest the placement of the following device registered switch and repeater. So switch is needed in every building, and script repeaters may be skipped because distance is less than 100 meters. So within all these three buildings, repeater is not required. So repeater is not required as far as this layout is concerned, because the distance is already less than 100 meters. We use repeater only when the distance is more than 100 meters. And question number 4. And this is about building 1. This is about various buildings in Gurgaon campus. And last question regarding to this is, the organization is planning to provide a high-speed link with its head office situated in the Mumbai using with a wide connection. Which of the following cable will be the most suitable of the? So there is not at all. Optical fiber is the best. So we use optical fiber cable. Throughout the wide video, optical fiber cable have maximum speed or maximum transmission speed. So we use optical fiber cable. Next is next question. Question 71. Quick Learn University setting up its academics blocks at Prayagnagar and planning to set up a network The university has 3 academic blocks and one human resource center as shown in diagram below. So there is a diagram given here. Different blocks are there, and name of university is Queensland University. So academic blocks are at Prayagnagar and planning to set up network. The university has 3 academic blocks and one human resource center. HR center is there. And there are 3 blocks. Let us check condition first. These are the condition. Law block to business block distance 40, technology block for 80, law block to HR center 105, business block to technology block 30, business block to HR center 35, technology block to HR center 15. These are the different distances here, and there are different number of computers given in it. Law block contains 50, technology block 40, HR center 150, and business block 20. Now till now uh, you have idea about there are 4 basic types of question asked in a particular as far as network numerical is concerned. First, regarding to the server room, so we make a server room where there are maximum number of computers. Second, related to cable layout network, so we reduce or we eliminate the distance which is very high as far as when we block different blocks to each other. In this you can see that this is very high, about 105 meters. So try to reduce this, and if there are duplicate parts, then we can also reduce them with the minimum number of distance, taking minimum number of distance. And third question is related to network devices, so we know the use of network devices. And fourth is about transmission media, this transmission media. And last question is about transmission media. So let us check it. What is the question? It says the most suitable place blocks to install the server. Now the answer is very much clear to all of you. To install the server, I think HR center is the suitable place. And so is the ideal layout of connection of these block center for a wired connectivity. So let's check. So let us check. As you can see that the most suitable place to install a server is HR center because it has maximum number of computers. And this is the cable layout network of this question. Different blocks, all 4 blocks are connected to each other. Always remember that if there are multiple paths, then eliminate one path and eliminate the path which is which possess much more distance than other. So you can easily see that all buildings are connected to each other and there is no duplication of path. Even it is not necessary that each and every building is connected directly to other buildings. They can connect indirectly, also indirectly to each other if the distance is in that case is minimum to connect the direct distance. So this is the cable layout network first. Now I think you all have an idea about how to connect all these buildings. First of all, just write different blocks and then connect all these blocks without any hesitation, without and then remove the distance which is much more greater than other, and after that minimize the cable, and the answer you found is the answer of your. In this case we can easily see that these 4 buildings can be connected to each other like this. So so and part number third, which device you will suggest to place install each of these block center to identify connect all the computer with these blocks and centers. Of course, switch is the answer. Within building switches we connect different computer using switch. And next is The university is planning to connect the admission office in the closest big city, which is more than 250 kilometers from university. Which type of network LAN, MAN, WAN? Now it will be different as at a question as at a previous one. So LAN distance, we use LAN within a building, we use MAN to connect metropolitan city, and we use WAN, a wide area network. And here, according to the question, the university is planning to connect its admission office in the closest big city, which is more than 250 kilometers. Which type of network LAN when will be formed? Justify your answer. So when will be formed because distance of man is much more higher than that of the van, than that of 250 kilometers. So in this case, 250 van will be preferred. Basically, LAN is connected to connect the different buildings within a particular area. MAN is used to connect buildings metropolitan city, and WAN is used to connect two different areas, basically two different countries, and distance is 250 kilometers. That is the difference is much more higher than the difference between two metropolitan cities. So if the distance is about less than 100 meter, we prefer MAN, but the distance is 250 kilometers, so we prefer WAN in this case. So within a building, LAN is to prefer. If you want to connect two metropolitan cities about 100 kilometers, then use MAN, and more than 100 kilometers, always prefer WAN. So we use WAN here. Without any hesitation, if the distance is much more higher, then always prefer WAN. As far as distance is concerned, lowest distance is of personal area network, then LAN, local area network, then metropolitan area network MAN, and then WAN. And in this case, distance is given as 215 kilometers, so we use WAN here. Next question, question number 72, and this is the last question regarding to this lecture. Great Studies University setting up its academic schools at Sundar Nagar, and the plan is to set up a network. The university has 3 academic schools and 1 administration center as shown in this diagram. So, and the distance is also given. Distance is also given, and number of computers is also given as given in previous question. There are 4 questions related to it. Size the most suitable space to install the server. Size the ideal network connectivity, wired connectivity, and which device will you suggest to be placed. Install each of these school or center to efficiently connect all these computers with this school. And last is the university is planning to connect its admission office in the closest big city, which is more than 350 kilometers from the university. Which type of network LAN will? So right now I think it is discussed now. So in this case, when will be the final answer? And for part number 1, suggest the most suitable place the school center to install the server. So find out the maximum number of computers that is in admin block. So admin block is the answer. So first is done, first is done. Second is KV layout network. So KV layout network just reduce the maximum distance between blocks, and this is, so try to eliminate this or others if there are duplications of their duplication path here. So try to eliminate the distance which is higher than other. So this is part number 3, and part number 4, devices is concerned. So let us take it one by one. First of all, the most suitable distance to the server is admin center. Let's check admin center. And why it is admin center? Because maximum number of computer is in admin center. Here you can easily see that. So admin center is the answer. Next is suggest an ideal layout of connecting these block center to a wired connectivity. So this is the diagram. To draw this diagram, first of all draw all the blocks, connecting all these blocks and you can easily see that these blocks are not directly connected to each other. These blocks are not also directed to each other. These blocks are not directly connected to each other. First of all, um, make different blocks and connect to each other whatever the distance given in the questions, and then try to eliminate the maximum distance between these. For example, in this case law school is not directly connected to admin school, because the distance from law school is connected to business school, and then business technology school, and then technology school is connected to admin school, and this distance is much more higher than this. Let us check what is the distance between law school and admin center. Law school and admin center around 115 meters, so much more higher. So just try to reduce this. So eliminate this line, and business school and admission center is not there. The connection of between business school and admission is also not there. Let us check what is the distance between business school and admission center. Business school and admission center around 145 meter. It is not much more higher, but we reduce it because business school is directly connected to business school is directly connected to business school directly connected to technology schools and law schools. So technology schools and law school, what is the distance? You can easily see that business school to technology school 40 meter, and business school to and business school to admission center 45 meter, and law school to business school 60 meter. Law school to business school 60 meters. Law school to business school 60 meters. Both these are connected to each other. So to write your answer, first of all, connect all these devices, eliminate the duplications of the data, and if there is a circumstances created that that the server room is directly connected to the other building, then and distance is approx the same as far as connection is concerned, so we always prefer to connect a building to the server room. So that is a very important point regarding to the connection layout. And second important thing regarding to connection layout is that always try to use minimum cable. So in this case, whatever be your answer, you should aware of the fact that this cable should be minimum. And the third important thing is that in 99% of questions of this type, approx answer is same, but in 1% questions there are more than one possibilities or more than one answers, when there is a not much difference between the cable layout networks. Suppose in one question it is possible that you directly connect a computer building through a server room, and with a distance of 60 meter, and there is another possibility that you indirectly connect through a server using a distance 50 meters. So there is basically a difference of 10 meters, but we always prefer case number one, when we connect a building to a server room directly, because there is a direct connection to a server room. So this there are there is a possibility that a question basically have more than one answer. So after making the circuit complete, then just try to solve that is there any other possibilities which will be there in this question to connect these buildings. If it is so, then compare both these, and after that give your final answer. Next, regarding to the device. So in this question we can see that which device you will suggest to place or install in each of these schools. So obviously within the school switch is used, so no doubt at all, and it is already clear that the distance is more than 350 kilometers. So obviously, sorry, WAN will use. LAN is used to connect local buildings, MAN is used to connect metropolitan cities, and WAN is used to connect when distance is more than 100 kilometers, and the distance in this case is around 350 kilometers. So when will be used? I hope you like this video.